Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh boy, it has been a crazy couple of weeks, I will tell you that. We are going to check out a home today that we actually put an offer in on. The inspection is today, and then we're checking out another house just in case because we're uncertain about storage. We have a lot of things. I'm gonna see the kids today. I haven't seen them in like 2.5 weeks. I'm so excited. We're gonna go to Ikea. It's gonna be a busy day, so I thought I would just vlog because I don't have any videos planned for next week and I've been slacking and I apologize, but I'm very busy. I haven't been sleeping. As you can see, like I put my eyebrows on, but oof, I look tired because I am tired. No amount of coffee. No amount of coffee. Pancakes. But anyway, I am on my phone. So disclaimer, because I'm not bringing my camera because the battery's dead and that's just life right now. So let's come along this vlog with me. I always get these frozen pancakes just because they're easy, but they definitely don't compare to homemade at all. Oh, I'm gonna add blueberries. Much better. Oh, he got away. Perfect. Well, not quite perfect till it has a little bit of syrup. Now it's perfect. Are you happy, good girl? Yes, you are a good girl. You're a good girl. So, I have been trying to drink more water lately because I just, like, ever since I traveled to Arizona, I have been feeling so dehydrated and, like, just run down. Pancakes are good. Dish is done. You want a quick look at my plants? My Rhaphidophora is growing beautifully. These are new leaves up here, which I'm really excited about. I seriously cannot believe how amazing this Villosa longleaf is. I went to Arizona and it put out like a few more leaves, and these leaves are just so big. So pretty. It's kind of hard to see because of the grow lights are on, but anyway, my plants are happy. I didn't lose any. My elbow is doing great in this little terrarium, or not terrarium, but like greenhouse down here. How cute. Even my philodendron moonlight is doing well, which is exciting. My Thai constellation put out a new leaf, and look at that variegation. Oh, she is just glorious. Hi, babe. Vlogging. Ooh. Merch. So I was like, yeah, we're gonna go see this house today that we put a bid in on. How do you feel about it?
Mixed feelings, but more positive than negative.
Okay, good. We're on a positive start to the day. Yeah. Okay, good. And then we're gonna go to Ikea because the kids need new beds.
And post shopping?
No. And then we're gonna go see another house just in case this one doesn't have enough storage. Because that's what I'm worried about, is the storage in this place.
Yeah.
It checks all the boxes except for storage. So.
That's kind of fun.
And when you're looking at houses, you really feel like you're only in there for like 15 minutes at a time. And like, what can you really figure out in 15 minutes or 20 minutes?
That you don't have enough storage.
Yeah, until you get home and you watch the video and you're like, shit.
And then you realize there's no lights in the bedrooms.
Yeah, there's no ceiling lights.
And there's no place to hang up your coat.
There's no linen closet, we don't think. Or no coat closet. We don't think there's a linen closet. This is definitely first world white people problems. Disclaimer, for sure.
I'm not white, disclaimer.
But
I know nothing about these problems
well,
until now.
Yeah. Pantry. 7 people need a pantry. Maybe we don't. Maybe I should stop complaining. But anyway, I'm gonna go get dressed and fix myself up a bit because of like a...
Please.
Wow. I had to take out the pierogies. So we have Polish pierogies, which are so good. It's pretty much just like a dumpling. So we have meat, kraut and mushroom, potato, Maltachin. What? What is this?
The German word for something he said.
Maltachin.
It's like it's a combination of meat and something, I think.
Oh, maybe meat and spinach. Meat and spinach. I might try those. But yeah, a lot of people. A lot of people to feed. Okay, I got my stuff together. I got dressed. I found the shirt that I was wearing in the video reaction video from last week. Love this shirt. Okay. Ooh, the hair is high today, y'all. It's high. What's the saying? The higher the bun, the closer to Jesus. Anyway, we are getting ready to head out. Actually, I'm by myself. Jay went to go pick up the girls, and I cannot even tell you how excited I am to see them. They may or may not be in this vlog because they're not a big fan in their teenage years of being on my channel, but I'm excited to go check out this house again and see the storage space and then go to Ikea. I haven't been to Ikea in a really long time, and the girls need new beds, so it's gonna be fun to pick out some mattresses and some beds for them. But that's about it. Literally, I'm exhausted from getting dressed. This is life. My only child that wants to be in the vlog with me. I miss you so much. Did you miss me?
Yes.
Like a lot or a little?
A lot.
Okay, good. Ikea, here we come. Beds. We're at Ikea. Fake plant section. This is where I would want to come for area rugs too, for the house. But anyway, we saw the house. It's getting inspected now. Might have to replace the windows. It's important. And now we're at Ikea and they tested out some beds. But we are leaving because we're not going to get the beds till we move anyway. And it is packed in here, you guys. Packed. Hey, we should go pick up some lunch or something. I'm gonna pick up some lunch.
Come here, Emmy.
Do you like your bed, Kayla?
Yes.
Do you like the mattress?
Yes. Plus.
So, it's the next day. We saw the other house and it was, the basement needed a lot of work. So, we ended up not going with it. And then we found out today that the inspection for the house that we thought we had, it was awful. So we're going to look at more houses today, and I figured I'd just pick this up today. Hopefully I can get this video out to you later today. If not, Wednesday it is, y'all. It just is what it is. I'm mentally drained. Hunting is draining. Like, we're trying to make it as fun as possible because we really wanted this to be a fun, good experience, but the market is just not a buyer's market right now. So back at square one, pretty much. And we're heading out today to look at a few places. So I figured I'd just, like I said, pick up where we left off. But yeah, this is real life. You know, I need like a vacation. You remember those? Remember when we used to be able to go on vacation? Vaccinations can't come soon enough. Mom, what'd you just get? Look! Someone's vaccinated! Woohoo! Well, not fully.
My first dose.
You need your second dose in 2 weeks.
Yay, 3 weeks.
3 weeks, but we're on the right path.
Yes, we are.
Yay. Also, it's the day after yesterday because I didn't film anymore yesterday. So hopefully I can get this video up for you guys tomorrow. Fingers crossed. This is a very boring vlog, but this is my life. The last house that we went into, we think we put a bid on it. So we think that we're gonna really like it. We think it's gonna work. Fingers crossed that the inspection goes well, which is Thursday.
Yeah.
Thursday. So hopefully everything goes well. Okay, I need to figure out a way to end this vlog. What a train wreck. Let's take a look at my plants. I was just looking at them and I was like, you know what? I've been neglecting my plants. And I just realized so many new leaves that have been coming in. So I want to show you. This new leaf on my mayoi is so pretty. It hasn't even really hardened off yet, but it's so pretty. And it's got another one that came in that's growing up there. I love how plants just kind of find their way, you know? Then on my macrophylla over here, there's this new leaf, and this is the newest one that came in, which I am just so excited about. This plant's doing great. It's in Leca. It's doing really well. My Syngonium elbow has 2 new leaves coming in. This one looks pretty white, and this one looks like it has a lot of variegation to it. And then my Carnosa Stardust, which I have braced up my shelf unit here. These are the last 2 leaves it put out. Look at those little speckles. And then there's one over here as well.
What do you think about that, huh? Is it late at night? You going to bed? You good boy.
So red. It is hot in here. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me in this vlog. It was all over the place. I appreciate you, though, for hanging in there with me this past couple of weeks. It's been really busy, and yeah, I am vlogging the whole process of moving, so I hope that's going to be a fun video for you guys to watch once we're settled in a new spot. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit the subscribe button. Just do it. And then I'll see you next week. Hopefully Monday. Bye, guys.